In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on Airbnb. To begin, open Airbnb on either the mobile app or the website and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to your messages or inbox section. This is where Airbnb stores your conversations with hosts, guests, or support, depending on how you use the platform. After that, open the specific conversation you want to manage. At this point, it's important to know that Airbnb usually does not offer a true permanent delete option for message conversations. So if you're looking to completely erase a chat, in most cases that option will not be available. Airbnb often keeps message history as part of booking records and for support related reasons. So this is normal. What you should do next is check whether an archive option is available for that conversation. Archiving is the closest alternative to deleting because it removes the conversation from your main inbox and helps keep things organized without permanently removing the message history. If you do see the archive option, go ahead and use it. Once you've archived the conversation, return to your inbox and confirm that it no longer appears in your main message list. This helps you make sure the action worked correctly. If the conversation has disappeared from the main inbox, that usually means it has been successfully archived. Keep in mind that archived messages can typically still be accessed later if you need them. So if you ever want to review booking details, check past communication, or reference something important from that conversation, you may be able to find it again in your archive messages section. If you don't see an archive option, then the best thing to do is simply leave the conversation as it is. Since Airbnb may retain message history for account records, reservation details, and customer support purposes, some conversations cannot be hidden or removed manually. A helpful tip here is to think of archiving as a cleanup tool rather than a delete feature. It won't erase the messages forever, but it can make your inbox feel less cluttered and easier to manage. And that's all there is to it. That's how to delete messages on Airbnb, or more accurately, how to manage them when permanent deletion isn't available.